Hello students, welcome to Real Academy. Today we are going to talk about Heron's formula. So before that, let me tell you who Heron was. Heron of Alexandria, as he is better known, was a Greco-Egyptian mathematician. Apart from being a mathematician, he was also an inventor. Okay, the modern windmill, he is often credited with the invention of that. He designed it at that time. Okay, so what is his formula based on? Let us go to the next page to better understand that. So on this page you can see there are two triangles. The first triangle is ABC, where the height of the triangle is 5 cm and the base is 6 cm. Okay, and in the second triangle we don't know the height, but we know the sides of the triangle, 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. So you might have guessed why Heron's formula is used. Let us see what you have guessed. So if a triangle has height and base given in the question, we can easily find the area of that triangle by the formula area of a triangle equal to half multiplied by base of that triangle multiplied by the height of that triangle. So here I can easily calculate it because base and height both are given to us. Base of the triangle is given 6 cm and the height is 5 cm. So here when I cancel this, we get the answer as 15 cm square. This is the area of triangle ABC. But Heron's formula is used when we have to find the area of a triangle when the height of the triangle is not given to us, but we know the dimensions, we know the lengths of each and every side of the triangle, like it is given here 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. The first thing that we need to do here is find something called as the semi-perimeter. Okay, now this is not the actual formula, this is just something that we are going to use in the formula. So semi-perimeter है क्या? First of all, you know what a perimeter is. The perimeter of any triangle is the sum of all three sides. Correct? तो मुझे अगर perimeter find करना है तो मैं क्या करूंगा? A plus B plus C, मतलब तीनों sides का मैं addition कर दूंगा. Correct? But semi-perimeter is the half of perimeter. So this divided by 2. That's it. ठीक है, सेमी पेरीमीटर ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज सम ऑफ ऑल थ्री साइड्स डिवाइडेड बाय 2, हाफ ऑफ द पेरीमीटर. तो अभी इसमें मुझे सेमी पेरीमीटर की जरूरत है फॉर्मूला में, इसलिए आई विल फाइंड इट आउट. क्या होगा यहाँ पे 3 + 4 + 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. ओके, 3 + 4 is 7, 7 + 5 is 12, 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 is 6 cm. Okay, so the semi perimeter also denoted by small s here is 6 cm. Now what is Heron's formula? So the formula is simple. Area of a triangle is equal to square root of s multiplied by s minus a multiplied by s minus b multiplied by s minus c. Okay, this is the Heron's formula. Area of a triangle equals to square root of s is the semi perimeter and a, b, c are the three sides of the triangle. अभी मुझे बस इस फॉर्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है the value of s, a, b, c and I will get the area of this triangle without knowing the height of this triangle. ठीक है, so that is why we use Heron's formula to calculate the area of a triangle. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आंसर? This will be equal to square root of 6 multiplied by 6 minus a is how much? 5. Then 6 minus b is how much? 4. Then 6 minus c is 3. If I calculate this, you will get square root of 6 multiplied by 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, so here you will get 1. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So what you are getting here is 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36 and square root of 36 is nothing but 6 centimeter square. Okay, so the area of this triangle is 6 centimeter square. This is the Heron's formula to calculate the area of the triangle when we don't know the height of the triangle but we know the sides of the triangle. This is it. Thank you very much.